Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mazda CX5 Max, stock reference number 4137. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre PE, 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand headlight. It's fitted with 17-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.